Indorama has been set up in 1975. Today, that organization, it has 37 manufacturing facilities in 8 countries around the world, manufacturing nitrogenous fertilizers, phosphate fertilizers, polyolefins, medical gloves, textiles and fibers, which is our core business where we started it way back in 1976. So it's been a very impressive growth story, and we're very proud to say that we actually started from Indonesia and now today we are around the world. We take sustainability very seriously. It's just a new buzzword in the last few years, but we have been doing it right from the beginning. Our initial part of our journey during the early 90s, we started engaging with DFIs like International Finance Corporation, and they helped us to realize that if you do the right things on the environment, on social and governance, these are things which are going to pay you over the long term. So it's been in our DNA since then. But specifically in the last few years, since this whole sustainability issue, the ESG issue has become very significant and it's come on the forefront of everybody's radar screen, we have started making more efforts, concerted efforts to try and make our businesses, our operations more sustainable. And today's facility, what we have signed with DBS, is a landmark, I would say a milestone in our journey on improving sustainability and contributing towards the government's net zero goals. DBS is a very safe, reliable and a long-term partner, and we witnessed this because we've been one of the customers of DBS even before it actually started in Indonesia. So way back in the 89-90, when this bank was set up as DBS Mitsubishi Buana, when DBS apparently had a small stake, we were doing business with you guys there. And today, at that time, we started from Indonesia, and now we have business with DBS Group globally, in Singapore, in India, in as far as places like Brazil, Nigeria, the latest one is there. So we're very happy with our journey with DBS, and we are looking forward to doing a lot more business because both of us, we believe in long-term relationships and partnerships, and that's what is the key. See, historically, we've been using term and trade financing along with the classical banking stuff, cash management, foreign exchange products. These are the standard products. But with this facility which we have done, this is the first sustainability transition financing which we've done with DBS, and that opens up another interesting opportunity, a product chapter of DBS along with us, and not only for Indonesia, but we look at doing a lot of more things in the other countries where we are operating together with DBS. We would see a lot more opportunities. So we're very happy that this product line has opened up, and it adds to the range of products which we do with DBS. We've had a great relationship. Obviously, as I mentioned, we've been in business with you guys for the last 25 years, and we've grown from just doing business in one country to multiple countries. So that's also a testimony that yes, our relationship has moved forward positively. We both trust each other, like each other, are comfortable with each other. I'm sure bank is very comfortable with Indorama as a risk counterparty, and we're very happy with your capabilities, the depth of the products which you have, and the execution capabilities and the team which you have, which ensures that we are able to good businesses with you wherever we are able to find mutual ground to work with. And we will look forward to working on a lot more things going forward.